I applied to Birkbeck because it was the one place in London that actually gave me the opportunity to continue working and study at the same time.
The one defining special trait about Birkbeck, I would say, is the ability, the location and the night school element of it. The ability to work in probably one of the best, if not the best cities in the world simultaneously you can't find that anywhere. It's a sort of unique characteristic.
For me, it was more so much of a change. Like, I'd just come straight out of school and having to wake up quite early was a bit of a chore for me. So I thought, do you know what, let me give this a try. It worked out for me because I was doing part-time tutoring, like privately, as well as doing a part-time job. So it worked around my schedule, which is what I like. So that I could get my degree as well as work on other aspects of my life and become a better person overall.